letters. And
so here we go, Ellie. This is what we're gonna do. We have your name. Is that your name? E-L-L-I-E?
yeah.
Well, you're gonna take your little clothespins and you're gonna match them to where your letters go on your paper. And you're gonna spell your name for Ellie. So here's your letters.
Thanks.
Can you find another L to put them where they go? L-I-E.
L. L.
L is next. So you take a little alligator, chomp, 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 and you put it where the L goes. E-L. And then what letter's next?
I.
There's another L. Can you find the other L first? Your name has 2 L's in it. And then I'll get Oliver's ready. We're gonna do Oliver's is gonna be yellow. So we have our clothespins. So let's write Oliver's name.
O.
O L I V E and R. So here's Oliver's paper. And then we'll get his little alligator clips ready. O
Got a bite.
and R. Alright, so here's all of Oliver's clothespins.
I got one. And I need to find the O. L.
While Ellie's working on her name, Oliver will
O.
work on his. Did you find your O for Oliver? Good job.
I need I, Mom.
Huh? Right?
Why?
And then we have L, L. So we have I, and it goes on this part of your paper. E-L-L-I. And what's the last one? What letter? What letter? What's it called?
E.
E. Good job.
No, I need E.
L-L-I-E. That's your
Almost
name.
done.
Good job, Oliver.
I did it.
Good job. Yeah, here's a yummy snack.
Yum.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try a strawberry. I'm
All
gonna
right,
try
and
it
then
again.
get our next letter activity ready.
Yum. Let's try it. Yummy.
Your letter name. We're gonna write your name. You need to stack them up and put them in order. Ready? So we start here. All right, so Oliver, this is gonna be your name stack, and this is gonna be Ellie's little name stack, okay? So we're gonna start here. We have O, L, I, V, E, and R. All right, we're here ready to put together.
Didn't see that coming.
You didn't see that coming? Are you enjoying your yummy snack? Yeah. Is it yummy, Ellie?
Yum.
Yeah.
Yummy fruit.
You guys like your fruit, don't ya? All right. We'll finish your snack and then we'll get on to our next letter activity. V-E-R. So what's
Okay.
the first letter? What comes next?
R.
No.
E.
E. Good job.
And R.
You made your name stack. Good job.
Dang.
So you have your name stack and then you have your little alligator clip card. Ellie, are you ready for your name stack? E-L-L-I-E.
E-L-I-I.
Yeah. So find your names.
I have six. I have six. I have
Alright.
six.
Alright, so let's put your letters together. Alright, so we're going to mix them up. And each of the yellow cards has a number on it, and you have to put your letters in order to how the numbers go, right? Alright, so find number 1. Put number 1 goes first. Ellie, can you find your letters by number 1? Number 1 goes first because the first letter is E.
2.
Yep, find 2.
There's 2.
L. L. So O, L, and then what comes next? Here's number 1. Good. Good job.
And the last one
Is R.
6.
Yep, you got 6 letters in your name, don't you?
I got 6.
And you finish your letters. Good job. Take your cards here and put them where they go on your paper. It's like a matching game. And Ellie, here's your paper. And take your letters and put them where they go on your paper for your name.
Now,
Yeah.
go, Oliver.
That one does. Oh, good job, Oliver. Look at you. Letters. Look at you, Oliver. Where's the I? There you go. First, and then what comes next?
W, X,
And then T, just like that.